What do you think about that chalk out there?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. It'll last you a week maybe. Or get worn down.
I don't know about that. I think it'll be gone before that.
Oh, he's telling the lady of the house that he's trying to work it.
Yeah. Let's go see what this is all about here.
It's up here. See, like this one here.
Hi, Miriam. How are you? Good, good.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Little sprinkler.
These are nice.
Yeah, so
Those are in the middle now. Nothing gets wet. So I can change that
yeah.
to something else. You know.
What do you think, Bill?
So that sounds all right.
You like the way it looks?
What are you taking a picture of?
You.
You're not even aiming at it.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
nowhere there.
No, wait till you see this. You'll see.
That thing turns sideways?
No, it's straight up and down where it needs to be.
It don't look right. The lens is cockeyed.
Oh, this is what Bill and I did right here. Look at this. We glued quarters to the pavement.
Oh, it talks straight to it?
No, I got, and we got put a big arrow so when people see it,
Yeah,
they think they're gonna get some money, but it's
Yeah.
glued on there.
yeah.
We got some quarters down there.
And they can't,
That's what it looks
so
like.
heavy they can't pick it up.
No. And here's the old swimming noodles chopped up into pieces. A little, yeah, I cut it up in pancakes and put it up all over stems and such. All over the place. What do you think? There's a little piece of a sandal there that I caught up.
Yep.
That's the way it looks now. The neighbor's sprinkler system that they just put in is getting on my chalk.
It is.
Yeah,
It
see
is?
down there?
Oh. Oh, they put it out here by the road too.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you.